My skin feels so good. What? I'm gonna show y'all something because I have switched up my routine.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days.
Hello, hello, hello. Happy, what's today? Thursday, happy Thursday. My kids are at school today. Baby Kane is sleeping, so I was about to get ready for the day. I just dropped everybody off. So I just wanted to get on here and show y'all my everyday makeup routine. First things first, I just want to rant and rave. Like, look at my skin, y'all. This is like the best that my skin has looked in so long. I've had issues lately with hormonal acne, and seriously, I started using this product. No sponsorship at all. Like, I promise, genuinely, I ordered from them and I have been obsessed with the products. Seriously, obsessed. I'm going to link everything below the package that I purchased just so y'all can see it. But this is not in any way, shape, or form an advertisement for them. This is just my true, honest opinion. I got the cleanser, the toner, and then the moisturizer, I believe. And then I had already had the cooling eye stick from a box that I got, one of the like sample boxes or whatever. I loved that, and I used that for so long. I had never even heard of that brand, and then I always use that, like whatever my old facial cleanser was, I would always do my routine, like wash my face, brush my teeth, whatever, and then I would always put that on and then start my day. And seriously, it's so amazing. It's just so refreshing. I love the way it feels on my eyes, and I totally feel like it helped with just like my under eye, like with the bags and just the discoloration under here. But aside from that, now that I got the package, it came with those three products: the cleanser, the toner, and then the moisturizer. And I swear, y'all, like, I've never used the toner. Look, I do not have anything on my face right now. Like, all of my redness around here, around my nose, like, of course there's still some because it's my natural skin, but in general, I mean, I cannot believe the way that my skin cleared up just on the sides of my face, and then all of my blemishes under my eyes, the redness, everything. Like, it's been amazing. And when you put that moisturizing cream on, immediately, like, it is silky smooth. It feels so good. I promise. I'm gonna leave the link below just so y'all can see, because I am going to start. I just want to show y'all my everyday mom routine. I want to get into it. I'm gonna try to not talk so much. I'm sorry. Like, I just don't, you know, stay-at-home mom life. It's not really even stay-at-home mom life. Like, I do work, y'all. It's just that, you know, I don't have nobody to talk to. So even when I do get around my friends, I never stop talking because I'm like, y'all, I'm just with these little children all day, every day. And look at me, I'm already doing this wrong. Okay, this is Revlon's Prep and Protect Primer. That's what I always go in with first. And I am just going to put this all over my face. And oh, look, my skin feels so good. I love these new products. So if y'all are having any issues just with your skin or complexion, anything like that, please go try them. I promise you will be happy. Next, the foundation I swear by. I use this for years and years and years. I just always use different colors, and now that I have a little bit of a tan, this is 310 in Warm Golden. And this is the Revlon Color Stay. For combination oily skin is the one that I use. The one for normal or dry skin, I just found that I don't like that. It is, my skin is combination, so the normal or dry just never worked on me. It might work on you, but you know, to each their own. So I just put a little bit of a pump on the back of my hand. This is a very large beauty blender that I got on Amazon. I'll link this below as well. This thing is amazing, y'all. Like, it covers so much space. I used to use a little buff brush by Real Techniques, but now I just swear by this because I can just cover so much ground in such a short amount of time. If you see what I'm doing, I just put it on my face and I just drag it around, and then I just buff it all in, and then I just bring it on my neck, I'm gonna go in first. Normally I do this last, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of color on my back into my lips.
Getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose.
Just I just like doing that because when I'm talking in the videos and I'm done on my foundation, I look like I ain't got no mouth. I don't like that. And that is a, like I said, it's a lip liner pencil, and it is by NYX. Suede is what it says. And it is in the color SMLL 30, Los Angeles. So if you can see that, I love that color. It is amazing. We're going to go in with, I do my first little contour here. So I have the Master Contour palette. If y'all been following me, you know I've used this forever. This is medium to deep in 20. And so I only use the contour and the blush in here. I do not use the highlighter. So I just get this Real Techniques brush that I have, and I just pinch it, and I just put a little bit of the bronze color on here, and then I do it down my nose, just on the sides, and this is how I contour my nose. Sometimes I'll do it heavy, sometimes I'll just do it lightly just to get like a little bit of a shadow on there. It really just depends on what I'm doing for the day. And then now I'm going in with my Instant Age Rewind eraser, and it is in the color Ivory. This is the one I use, and I love this for my highlight. I just put it right down my nose, and then I put a line on the side of my nose, a line on this side of my nose, and then I really just kind of dot under my eyes. You don't need like the huge triangles or nothing. Just kind of give that bright look. And then I'll go in with the Beauty Blender. I like to do the line on the side of my nose just to make it a little bit more sharp with that contour. I really like the, your nose is the center of your face. So that's why I like to focus on that contour. Y'all know. If your nose is crazy, if your nose is messed up, if there's any kind of messed up contour in your nose, that's the first thing people are gonna see when they look at you. Because your nose is like the center of your face. Revlon Color Stay, this is pressed powder, and it is in 880 translucent, and it does come with this little applicator in here, and it does have a mirror. I like that for when I'm on the go. So I'm just gonna get some, and I use this to like set my under eyes. I used to never do this, and now that I've done it, I will never like not do it. Cause it also, I'll push it up against my nose right here, and then it helps my little nose contour. And then I'll put some on my eyelids too, just to help my eyeshadow or whatever I have going. And then I'll take this big fluffy brush by Real Techniques. This is what I use for like the bronzing part and the blush part. And I just kind of like wipe off that excess that got right there on the side of my nose. And then anything else. Ooh, push my eyebrows up. Okay, so then I'm going in with this Jordana eyebrow pencil. And if y'all know, I did get my eyebrows microbladed, but it has been a little while. But I love the shape that she gave me. If y'all are in the Jacksonville area, I'm going to leave her link below to her shop. She is so amazing. She's done my brows for me twice now. I love them so much. I love them because they're the perfect, sometimes I like thin brows, sometimes I like thick. And you know, I just like how she gave me the perfect base and a great shape for my eyebrows. So then if I want like them to be a little bit lighter and natural looking, I'll just keep them how they are. If I'm doing like heavier makeup or like a glam look, I'll make them a little bit thicker. My highlight that I do on my eyes, so this is an e.l.f., I think it's Moonlight Pearl is what I use. It is not supposed to be a highlighter, but I use it as a highlighter, and I just put it all over my eye, just like this, on both of them. And this is great if you just want to leave just this on your eye, or if you want to put a eyeshadow on with it, whatever you want to do, whatever's best. And then I will put this too on my nose. We're gonna go in with this same little color, and what I do is I just get this and I barely do this right here. You wanna go from your ear to your mouth, and I just barely do it right there just to like kind of deepen my cheekbone. And then I'll do it on this side as well. just like that. And then I'll just take a little bit and then do along my jawline. And then just put some up here. And then you're just barely gonna do that with this brush. You're gonna use that big blending fluffy brush from Real Techniques to blend the rest out and do the rest of it. So now I'm gonna go in with this and go like this. And now you're just gonna do big strokes, and I just pull it down a little. And that's how you give like, with the smaller brush, you can get like more of a precise, deeper line. I guess you don't really want a line, but y'all know what I mean. And then this will just cover more ground and give you that bronze effect. So they really work well together. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I just pull this bronze down on my neck, We're gonna take this right here. I'm gonna show y'all something because I have switched up my routine and I love it. So you're gonna just pinch this, and I get into that blush. Instead of putting it on the balls of my cheeks like I did, I noticed in a couple of my pictures from when I've got my makeup professionally done for some of my shoots, they put it up here. That made such a difference, y'all. And I love it. Like for my face shape, I love that. So try it. It might not work for you, but if it does, it will be great. It just makes everything brighter. So this is what I do right here. You can like stipple it if you want to, or you can, no, don't drag it. Yeah, definitely stipple it. Yeah, that'll be better. And I just put it up here. And you know, any of the excess you can bring down too if you want to. Just a little bit, but just a little bit, like just the excess. Just like this. And then like that. Oh, look at that. Are you serious? I just love that so much more. That's great, seriously. And then I just do the same thing as I did with the blush, and I bring it down my neck, on my chest. You know, just blend, 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 blend. I'm sorry, y'all. My skin looks bomb. I love those Tula products. Love them. Okay, now eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I use. It's Infallible Long Wear Eye Pencil, and it is just like in the blackest black. And I put that right down here on my waterline. And let's just do that. And then up here on the waterline. I've been doing this for so long, y'all, that I'm just used to it. But I know when you first start doing it, oh, excuse me, it's gonna be really hard. And my eyes are so freaking big. I like barely have to do anything. I can put the pencil in there. Like, why are they so big? I don't know, but whatever. And see, I just do my waterline. This is just for my typical everyday, just doing the waterline. Okay, now I'm going in with my trusty mascara. I swear by this mascara, I love it so much. I have used this, I wasn't counting yesterday, for 7 years. 7 years. Never used another mascara unless I like tried something, or like if one of the makeup artists put something on me. But this is what I swear by. It is Covergirl Supersizer Mascara, and you won't forget this blue, beautiful blue. I have like 1,000 of these tubes around my house. But watch this, y'all. Okay, first, look at my little naked lashes. These are my real lashes. So I'm just gonna show y'all what this is gonna do for your real lashes. Like, I just put it, I go all the way down to the base, like my waterline, and then I just do this. And you wanna go back and forth and just pull up. And same thing. What? Okay, yeah. Like, I mean, seriously. There's nothing else I can tell you. Like, I can't tell you anything else. I just, like, it's crazy. And I just do my bottom lashes. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm just go back in with that highlighter, like now that I'm done, and I barely get any of it, and I just put it up here, right on top of that blush, just because it just kind of gives it that real faint highlight and picks everything up. And then I'll take my big beauty blender and I just barely blend that all together, just like that. And then I will just top it off. If you haven't done your lip liner, usually I do that last, so but for the sake of filming and talking, I did it first. You just do that. Bam. And that's it. That is it, my friends. Now I gotta go to work. I'm not happy about that, but I just want to share that with y'all. And seriously, like, look, but I will say, none of this would be possible without that Tula, because my makeup was not looking this good before I started using those face products. Seriously, like, it is crazy. Y'all need to go get this. I'm not kidding. All right, I hope y'all have a great rest of your week, and I will see y'all in next week's video. I have now started uploading every Wednesday and Friday at 2 p.m. So I'll see you every Wednesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Y'all have a great rest of your week. Bye.